What will you buy for your parents?
I will buy them a gift.
When will you go for a haircut?
I will go next week.
Will you watch the news tonight?
Yes, I will watch it.
How will you stay healthy?
I will exercise and eat well.
Where will you take your car for repair?
I will take it to the garage.
Who will teach you swimming?
My coach will teach me.
When will you pay the bills?
I will pay them tomorrow.
Will you join us for a walk?
Yes, I will join you.
How will you keep your room clean?
I will clean it daily.
What will you eat for lunch?
I will eat a sandwich.
Where will you keep your shoes?
I will keep them by the door.
Who will join you on your vacation?
My family will join me.
Will you play any sports this week?
Yes, I will play tennis.
What time will you go to the gym?
I will go in the evening.
When will you write your report?
I will write it tonight.
How will you keep in touch with friends?
I will call and text them.
Will you need extra time to finish?
Yes, I will need extra time.
Where will you park your car?
I will park it in the lot.
Who will pick you up from the airport?
My sister will pick me up.
Will you help with the charity event?
Yes, I will help.
What will you take to the office tomorrow?
I will take my laptop.
When will you return the library book?
I will return it by Monday.
How will you prepare for the meeting?
I will review my notes.
Where will you keep your winter clothes?
I will keep them in the closet.
Where will you keep your winter clothes?
I will keep them in the closet.
Who will invite everyone to the event?
I will invite everyone.
Will you attend the online class?
Yes, I will attend.
What will you drink in the morning?
I will drink tea.
When will you practice your guitar?
I will practice in the evening.
How will you prepare for the interview?
I will practice my answers.
Will you send me the documents?
Yes, I will send them.
Where will you get the cake for the party?
I will get it from the bakery.
Who will help you with the move?
My friend will help me.
What will you do if the train is late?
I will wait patiently.
When will you go for your checkup?
I will go next Monday.
How will you handle a busy day?
I will stay organized.
Will you save money for a trip?
Yes, I will save for it.
Who will you call first in an emergency?
I will call my family.
When will you plan your next trip?
I will plan it next month.
Will you take a cooking class?
Yes, I will take one.
How will you spend the holidays?
I will spend them with family.
Where will you get your groceries?
I will get them at the market.
What will you do on your day off?
I will relax and read.
Who will you visit on your birthday?
I will visit my grandparents.
Will you paint your room a new color?
Yes, I will paint it blue.
When will you take a break from work?
I will take a break next week.
How will you entertain guests?
I will cook and play music.
Where will you host the meeting?
I will host it at my office.
Will you start a new hobby this year?
Yes, I will learn photography.
What will you bake for the party?
I will bake a cake.
Who will walk the dog tonight?
I will walk the dog.
When will you review the document?
I will review it tomorrow.
How will you organize your day?
I will use a planner.
Where will you keep the gift?
I will keep it in a safe place.
Will you clean your desk today?
Yes, I will clean it.
What time will you join the call?
I will join at 2 p.m.
Who will plan the family reunion?
I will plan it.
Will you return the rented car on time?
Yes, I will return it.
When will you start learning a new language?
I will start next month.
How will you handle more responsibilities?
I will manage my time well.
Where will you buy the decorations?
I will buy them at the store.
Where will you buy the decorations?
I will buy them at the store.
Who will take notes during the meeting?
I will take notes.
Will you work from home next week?
Yes, I will work from home.
What will you do if you feel tired?
I will rest for a while.
When will you finish reading the book?
I will finish it by Sunday.
How will you track your expenses?
I will use an app.
Where will you keep your valuables?
I will keep them in a safe.
Who will send the invitations?
I will send them.
Will you create a to-do list?
I will create one.
What will you pack for the camping trip?
I will pack clothes and a tent.
When will you check your emails?
I will check them tonight.
How will you set up the new device?
I will follow the instructions.
Where will you meet the delivery person?
I will meet them at the door.
Who will take the photos at the event?
I will take the photos.
Will you upgrade your phone this year?
Yes, I will upgrade it.
What will you wear to the wedding?
I will wear a formal suit.
When will you renew your license?
I will renew it next month.
How will you reach the airport?
I will take a taxi.
Where will you go for lunch on Friday?
I will go to a new cafe.
Who will remind you of the appointment?
I will set an alarm.
Will you bring snacks for everyone?
Yes, I will bring some.
What time will you arrive at the office?
I will arrive by 9 a.m.
When will you pay for the tickets?
I will pay tomorrow.
How will you exercise this week?
I will go for a run.
Where will you meet your friend tonight?
I will meet at a restaurant.
Who will pick up the laundry?
I will pick it up.
Will you buy a new laptop this year?
Yes, I will buy one.
What will you do if it snows?
I will stay warm at home.
When will you call your family?
I will call them tonight.
How will you manage your workload?
I will make a schedule.
Where will you park your bike?
I will park it near the store.
Who will lend you the book?
My friend will lend it to me.
Will you donate to charity this month?
Yes, I will donate.
What will you bring to the picnic?
I will bring sandwiches.
When will you water the garden?
I will water it in the evening.
How will you plan your weekend?
I will make a list of activities.
Where will you go for a hike?
I will go to the mountains.
Who will help you set up the tent?
My brother will help me.
Will you join the book club?
Yes, I will join.
What will you cook for breakfast?
I will cook pancakes.
When will you clean the garage?
I will clean it on Saturday.
How will you prepare for the test?
I will study the notes.
Where will you keep the important files?
I will keep them in a drawer.
Who will send you the report?
My colleague will send it.
Will you attend a concert next month?
Yes, I will attend.
What will you do if you miss the bus?
I will take a cab.
When will you visit the dentist?
I will visit next Tuesday.
How will you celebrate your promotion?
I will go out with friends.
Where will you buy your sports equipment?
I will buy it at a store.
Who will make the travel arrangements?
I will make them.
Will you eat out tonight?
Yes, I will eat out.
What will you watch this weekend?
I will watch a movie.
When will you get a new passport?
I will get it next month.
How will you stay motivated?
I will set small goals.
Where will you volunteer this year?
I will volunteer at a school.
Who will drive you to the station?
My friend will drive me.
Will you study a new subject?
Yes, I will study psychology.
What will you have for dinner?
I will have pasta.
When will you go on a road trip?
I will go next summer.
How will you prepare for the hike?
I will pack supplies.
Where will you celebrate New Year?
I will celebrate at home.
Who will guide you through the process?
My teacher will guide me.
Will you attend any workshops?
Yes, I will attend a few.
What will you do if you lose your keys?
I will call for help.
When will you start saving money?
I will start next month.
How will you stay hydrated?
I will drink water regularly.
Where will you buy flowers?
I will buy them at the florist.
Who will join you for the event?
My cousin will join me.
Will you go on a bike ride tomorrow?
Yes, I will go.
What will you have for dessert?
I will have ice cream.
When will you visit a new city?
I will visit next year.
How will you make the presentation?
I will use slides.
Where will you get your haircut?
I will go to the salon.
Who will help you bake cookies?
My sister will help me.
Will you organize the files?
Yes, I will organize them.
What will you gift your friend?
I will give a book.
When will you take a day off?
I will take a day off next Friday.